Hi, I have a message. You cannot speed run your recovery or your restoration. You understand the amount of weight and the responsibility you're carrying. You are wiping off the decades of generational trauma. Yes. In order to enjoy the cure, you have to survive the surgery. After 4 to 5 sessions, you will see the symptomatic relief, but for the complete restoration, it will take time. You're not in a race, you are into a war. You understand? You're scrubbing off that tag of insanity that they pinned on you.